asuntosykeyhtiö Kirkkokatu 33B in Joensuu, staircase A. This is the only elevator in this building. Unfortunately, the staircase B doesn't have any elevator. The net 65873053. Third floor. Three brushes 240 kilograms. Ground floor. This big bulky lines pretend maintained by the sonar describe this. Ground floor. That's it.